If your laptop lags a lot, one of the best solutions for it is clearing your RAM cache. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to clear the RAM cache and significantly boost your laptop speed. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to your search bar and search for your task manager like this and open it just like so. Now, notice most times you might have it in fewer details, so you want to make sure it's in more details. Head over to your performance and click on memory. That way you can locate the cache memory. Now, the next thing is you are to download RAM map. So go ahead to any browser and search for RAM map. Then you can add download to it, just like so. Now, literally the first website you see should be the one for it. Learn Microsoft RAM map, like that. Now click on this download RAM map 671 KB. Click on it, just like so. And now once it's done downloading, you can also click on show open file location. Now once you're there, right click on RAM map and extract all. Extract. So now let's go ahead and install RAM map. Double click on it. Then when the administrator comes up, click on the yes. And I guess you're good to go. So let's close or minimize all the functions like this. So once you're there, on your RAM map bar, go to empty and click on empty standby list. And as you can see, your cached memory significantly went down. You can also do it again, and that's how you clear your RAM cache. So that should help improve your laptop speed and also solve your lagging issue. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Also like the video to help you reach out to more viewers, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.